Hello, my name's Jane Ann. I'm retired and I live in a semi-rural on the edge of a village in Hampshire. 2 or 3 years ago we got the chance to build our sustainable home of our dreams, and it's been a very exciting and difficult journey. We chose not to have gas, so our house is completely powered by electricity. We've got solar panels, battery storage system. The house is extremely well insulated. We went as green and sustainable as we possibly could. Because I've always been passionate about sustainability, but also health issues, growing your own. I've got enough ground here that I'll be growing my vegetables, which I'm starting to establish the garden, peat-free of course. Things that are really fresh, you can't beat the flavour of something that you've grown yourself. The last few years I've been driving a hybrid car. When we built this house, as part of becoming more sustainable, the next step was to go fully electric. I investigated and bought the Nissan LEAF. I'm certainly enjoying it, really. The best thing really about it is that I can drive it with a clear conscience because I'm not adding to the pollution, especially as most of the journeys that I do are fairly short. I go locally shopping, visiting friends and family, going to garden centres, my other passion, to pick up some peat-free compost, etc. I find the LEAF is ideal for that. I've got enough room to put my compost or my shopping in the boot, so it suits me very well. But I must admit, since I've got the LEAF, I'm enjoying driving again and I'm really getting back into it. It's a very smooth, easy car to drive. Certainly my confidence and my pleasure in driving is growing again. Parking is fine. Our garage is not huge, so it's quite narrow to get in, but it's easy to manoeuvre. With the camera at the back, I can at least see where I'm going quite well. For what I do, it's just much easier to charge it at home. We have a charging point in the garage. I come home and just plug it in. I feel that going electric with the car as well, it's my whole ethos really of how to run my life. I try to do everything that I can. I'm really pleased I bought the Nissan LEAF because it is a sustainable choice. And with our new sustainable house and our charging point, plugging it in has just been really easy to do. And the fact that it's also so easy to drive, it's given me back my confidence. It's a good size for taking friends and family out, my grandchildren out, and shopping and going to garden centres. With its zero tailpipe emissions, I feel that this car is perfect for me. It just completely fits in with my sustainable ethos and the way I try to live my life.